Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's Cling stamp set, Fright Night, and the coordinating dies, Fright Night dies. I have them out here, the dies that we're going to be using. This is basic white cardstock cut at 2.5 by 4 1/4. This piece 4 by 5 1/4. This is Timid Tiger cut at 4 1/4 by 3 1/2. This is basic gray cut 3 by 4 3/4. This is let me see, Melon Mambo. I haven't used this color in a long time, cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Basic black card base cut here at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. This piece here cut 2 by 2 1/4, and this piece is cut at 2 by 4 1/4, and these are actually for die cutting. Let's go ahead and fold our card base so we can get started. Looks like no, it wasn't. I was gonna say it looked like my scoring was a bit off, but it's okay. That took care of that. We are gonna also be using the Forever Plaid embossing folder to emboss this piece. Here's the folder. Let's go ahead and place it inside. We're gonna line it up so that it's not crooked. Okay, here we go. And since I have the cutting machine out, let me go ahead and place these items here. Maybe I'll run this one back through. Okay, let's get to some stamping. Oh yeah, I might need to run this through too. Let me see. Oh no, it comes out good. I love it. Easy, easy. Let's get to some stamping because I am gonna need to run this one through the die cut machine. I'm gonna re-ink this pad. Wait, let me try it first. have it. Yep, see a smudge. Down and up, down and up. Okay, and then let's go ahead and die cut this out. Got it. And let's put our card together. This goes on the inside. Oh my gosh. Look at all of that. That's okay, because I'm thinking of putting this in here. Can cover it up. This goes on the outside. And I was thinking of using the deboss side, not the embossed side. I actually saw somebody else create this card or design this card, so I actually cased it, but I don't remember who it was, so I can't give credit, but it was an awesome card. It's not the same, it's similar, and I just liked it. I liked how this layers on each other. This is going here. I'm thinking of putting, of course, the webs, or the webs are supposed to go like this. But yeah, I think I'm gonna use it like this. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put it here, like have them meet up. And move it over, bacon or web. Alright, my fingers are getting all sticky. Like that, and then popping that up with some dimensionals. I'm centering this. Yeah, just like that. And I'm gonna put this right across the front, like this. Yeah. Should we pop it up? Move it over, bacon, or web. Should we pop it up? 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 I think I'm gonna make it straight down. Just like that. Uh-oh, hope I wasn't framed there, guys. And then I am gonna put the spider on the front. Maybe down here. Then getting some, and I'm gonna use a Sharpie to color. Can I use a Sharpie? A rhinestones. Coloring them black. I am going to put this on the inside like I had mentioned earlier. A little bit of glue goes a long way. So I'm just dabbing it just a slight bit. Putting this in here. Just like that. Love it. And then let's put that on the front of our card. Yes, I want to hide this boo-boo, just like that. And I'll put one more over here. Yeah, it's always where to put the next one. Huh? There we have it, guys. What do you guys think? Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up! Products, please visit my online store. The website is linked in the description of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon. Bye!